Did you know a man sold into slavery as a teenager ended up stealing the most powerful throne on earth? Nader Shah had nothing. Captured and sold when he was barely 15, he spent years as a slave before escaping into the mountains of eastern Persia. He became a bandit, then a mercenary, then a general. By 1736, through sheer military brilliance, he had seized the Persian throne for himself. But he wasn't done. In 1739, he marched his army into Mughal India. The Mughal emperor, Muhammad Shah, led a dynasty built on conquest. His ancestors had toppled empires. None of it mattered. Nader crushed the Mughal army at Karnal in a single afternoon. He then walked into Delhi and walked out with the peacock throne, the Koh-i-Noor diamond, and so much gold and treasure that he cancelled all taxes in Persia for 3 full years. The man who was once someone's property had just looted the richest city on the planet. He proved the entire world order was up for grabs.